Cats are independent. If left alone, they can look after themselves.
Take a bow.
You're a bad boy.
If you leave a dog alone, expect payback.
Well, Daddy, I want to show you what I came home to tonight. I don't know where this white foam came from.
Make sure you get out any food.
Cats take great pride in their hygiene. To a dog, clean is a 4-letter word. Cats are sophisticated creatures with a flair for cosmopolitan style. Dogs, not so much. Cats are fastidious and can even be taught proper bathroom etiquette. Dogs go where they darn well please.
And Seamus is peeing on you.